All right, so today we are doing 10.7.2, which is the area of circles and sectors. So note before we start, the circle is going to be your whole circle, obviously. So this whole thing. And then a sector is going to be a chunk. So you can think of it as like a slice of pizza. And then a segment is a little crust of the pizza. So if we go to the definition here, this would be your pizza crust. So it's this chunk right here. So to find the area of a segment, you have to first find the area of a sector, and then find the area of the triangle cutting it off, and then subtract those two, and that gives you the area of the segment. So there's no strict formula, but you're going to use this idea to figure out the area of a segment. So to do one as an example, here we have our central angle is 60, our radius is 18. So the first step is we want to find the area of the sector. So the area of our sector is going to be our angle, so 60 over 360 times pi times our radius squared. Type that all in, you should get 169.64 inches square. That's the first thing you do. Next, we need to find the area of this triangle. So we know that this is 18, but we really need to find the base and the height of the triangle. So I'm going to cut this in half and make this into a 30-degree right here. And we have a nice 90 and a 60. So we can do our 30, 60, 90 rules. So this will be the short leg and this will be the long leg. So the short leg is going to be, here's our hypotenuse, 18 over 2, or 9. So this right here is 9, which makes this also 9. So our full length is 18. And then the long leg is going to be our short leg times square root of 3. So 9 times the square root of 3. So then if we want to find the area of our triangle, you want 1/2 times the base, which is 18, times the height, which is 9, square root 3. Type that all in, and you should get 140.296 inches squared. So then the last step to find the area of your sector is to subtract those area of your segment is to subtract those two, and you should get 29.35 inches squared. So that's one example. Put up a little bit so you can see it. And we'll do one more. So here we want to find the area of our shaded segment. We have our radius is 4 again, and our angle is 60. So I'm going to break this up into our triangle off the bat. So we get our nice 30, 60, 90 triangle, our hypotenuse, short leg, and long leg. So if we do the area of the sector first, you have 60 divided by 360 times pi times 4 squared will give you 8.378 centimeters squared. Now we need the area of our triangle. So we need our base, which is right here. So we can find the short leg by doing the hypotenuse divided by 2, or 4 divided by 2 to get 2, which then makes this 2, which makes the whole length 4. So 1/2 times our base, which is 4. Then we need to figure out what the height is. So that would be the long leg, which is our base of 2, or a short leg of 2 times square root of 3. So then you want 2 times the square root of 3. And your area should be 6.928-ish centimeters squared. And then the last step to find the area of your sector, or your segment, is to subtract those two. So your area of your segment is 1.45 centimeters squared. All right, so here's the optional assignment. You can also do 10.7 on Math Excel if you want more.